Yes, we can say we're recording, and then there's a brief gap before we actually start. Yay, my knee's in the shot, too. Don't tell me that. Now is my knee out of the shot?
Mm-hmm.
That's the kind of thing I need. Now the phone's out of the shot?
Yeah.
Great. It's Kid's Toy. You can talk, too, if you want. It's another Scout thing. We already have something really low level from the LeapFrog guys. All their dogs are green and called Scout. I assume it does stuff when you tap it. How did you turn them on?
They actually have a purple one.
There you go. So it does various things. But, open here to personalize. And when you do that, I don't know if there's a way to make him stop talking. There, okay. When you do that, there's TRS cord, an audio cable, and tiny, hard-to-read instructions that say, before you insert the cable into your headphone jack, first, I assume, make sure you don't have a modern iPhone or something, or whatever you got, the Motorola. Then, go to, okay, we gotta type this then. LeapFrog.com/mypals2. LeapFrog.com/mypals2. Go. Which redirects us to scout.leapfrog.com to stuff. Do you want to personalize Scout or Violet? There you go. Scout is apparently the boy dog. Girls are purple. I don't know why we need to personalize which one is which. Oh my god, we need to make an account. Because who doesn't like making an account for kids' toys? Parents' first name. You or me? Okay, Stephen. If I can type Stephen. Glad this is on video so you can't see in high resolution so I can say things. Naturally, we have to confirm our email address because that's still a best practice as of 20 years ago. And of course, confirm your password. Again, we didn't decide that was a terrible idea forever. You choose year of birth. Sorry, whose year of birth? It's for a kid, so mine? It allows me to choose up to 2014, so it seems like it's the kids, but I'm gonna, since it's vague, I'm gonna go ahead and say mine. It automatically filled a zip code that's nowhere near where I live. That's interesting. Yes, I would like to receive learning progress updates. No. Check that off, which is defaulted on. Agree and create account. If you opt out, you won't receive email updates on your child's play and learning from the LeapFrog Learning Path. I think we're okay with that, right? Yeah. Create child profile. Oh, see, yes, that must have been my age, because now we have this one. Can't type, G-R-A-J-M. And of course, can't type. It didn't auto default to being a capitalized first letter, because, you know, why bother doing that? Many people I know whose names are start with lowercase letters, right? Not sure I actually like giving the day of birth for something like this, because that's fairly secure data for some terrible security systems. Is he an infant or a toddler? I like how they do this. Select a grade, but you can't just be...
He's an infant.
I know, but still, the whole system of you have to select the grade, but they're not in a grade yet. And he's a gender, which is boy or girl. That's wrong. But, you know, who cares? Confirm spelling. Apparently it was trying to say the word, but it didn't do it right, so there's some error there, so we have to confirm that. Choose a food. Okay, these are apparently not security questions, but personalization things. Choose one food that Graham likes from a very large list, so I'm not going to read them to you. What do you got? Avocados? It's also in absolutely no obvious order. Apples, applesauce, baby food, bananas, etc., etc., etc. Then at the
Sweet
end, it's
potato.
strawberries, yogurt, avocados, chicken nuggets, sweet potatoes. So they apparently just added some more and forgot to bother alphabetizing. These kids need to go back to school. What do you think?
Sweet potato.
You like sweet potatoes.
He likes
Choose one animal he likes more than anything else.
cat.
Cat. Choose one color. I'm quite certain he doesn't have a favorite color yet. What do you think?
He likes blue.
Okay. Blue. Continue. Connect Scout's cable to your device. It's this thing. Go away, Warden. Connect it to your device with Scout still in his box. I wonder why. Even though it's a picture of an old iPhone. Okay. Connect. Oh, I'm sorry. You can do it either way. Fine. Whatever. That was really unclear. That wasn't instructions. It was options. 2. Turn your device volume all the way up. Because if anybody doesn't know what's happening, it's using the audio cable as a data synchronization cable. Like the card readers and stuff. Press Scout's power paw.
Yay! I'm connected. I'm ready for the next step.
Not nearly enough of my devices go, yay, I'm connected. Continue to step 4. Oh, it lied. Scout should say, I'm ready for the next step. He didn't say, he should say, yay, I'm connected.
Next step.
Okay, customize Scout. Continue to step. Wait, that's a weird step. There's nothing on the step except continue to the next step. Listen for Scout to say press a paw to continue. It's got a progress bar. It's also vaguely throbbing at us and stuff.
Press a paw to continue.
Okay, any paw?
I'm ready to play now, Graham.
Continue. Reminds me of the Futurama. I'll never forget you, Philip J. Fry.
Mm-hmm.
Scout is ready to play. Apparently in a box with a cable connected all the time. Let's assume not. Okay. Now, what does it do when you do stuff?
Can you think of something red? I'm thinking of apple. Red. I love apples.
That has nothing to do with what we just did.
5 minutes of bedtime music. Snuggle up, Graham.
Okay, that's a little better. They can do better. Okay. We'll let him play with it and see how he does later, after he's actually used it and if it actually gets personalized to him.